Cucumber, ginger and mint powerful slimming lemonade. In brief moments a written explanation. We all love lemonade. It's a refreshing drink that tastes especially great in the summer. It is also hydrating for the tissues, and can even help you lose weight. Today we're going to share a tasty lemonade recipe made of cucumber, ginger, mint and lemon that will nourish your body with essential nutrients and help you lose weight as well. 1. Cucumber. Cucumbers are rich in water and various vitamins and minerals, and very low in calories, which is why they're often a part of different diets. They're also rich in fiber, which will satiate you and make you eat less later. A small cucumber salad before your meals will contribute towards weight loss. Eating cucumbers raw will also detoxify your body and prevent fluid retention and various digestive problems. Cucumbers can regulate your uric acid levels and are a natural laxative that can clean your intestines. The vegetable will also protect your intestinal walls from damage. Although healthy, cucumbers are not recommended to people suffering from diarrhea, irritable bowel syndrome or chronic gastritis. 2. Mint. Mint is a powerful herb with a fresh and beautiful scent that has numerous therapeutic benefits. It is great for your digestive system and can fight numerous digestive problems while also helping you lose weight. Mint is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent as well, which can treat different respiratory problems and soothe your airways. The herb contains ascorbic acid, which assists in the removal of mucus and phlegm and decongest the sinuses. It can treat skin problems such as eczema efficiently and fight stress and anxiety as well. Finally, mint can boost your blood flow and help you in cases of Crohn's disease, vomiting, colic, cardiovascular diseases and halitosis. 3. Ginger. Ginger is used as a spice in different cuisines thanks to the tangy flavor it offers. However, the root has also been used for its medicinal properties in the past. Ginger is one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory foods that exist. It is rich in numerous essential nutrients as well as essential oils and antioxidants that can fight free radicals in the body. Ginger can help you against headaches, arthritis, respiratory and digestive problems, colds and the flu, menstrual cramps, dizziness and depression. 4. Lemon. Lemon is one of the healthiest fruits you can eat. It is full of vitamin C, which can strengthen your immune system as well as a variety of other vitamins and minerals that can boost your overall health. It's also an antibacterial and antifungal agent that can prevent infections, while boosting your blood flow and regulating your blood sugar levels. Lemon can help you treat colds and the flu as well as tonsillitis, pneumonia, fever, kidney and gallstones, anemia, rickets, inflammation, insomnia, acidosis and much more. Here's how to prepare the lemonade. Ingredients: a small piece of ginger root, 1 medium-sized cucumber, 2 of water, 10 fresh mint leaves, 4 lemons. Preparation: peel and cut the cucumber, then do the same with 1 lemon and squeeze the remaining 3. Now, chop all the ingredients and add them to a pitcher of water, then add a bit of stevia and mix well. Leave the mixture in the fridge for 6 hours, then strain it and drink it during the day. Drinking the beverage regularly will accelerate your metabolism and help you lose weight faster than ever. If you like the video and you think it can help you, I invite you to give it a like, share the video with your friends and subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss any videos. Here you have other videos that may interest you.